Welcome to the world of 5S methodologies, a powerful framework designed to enhance workplace efficiency, organization, and safety. The 5S principles sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain are the backbone of a world-class workplace, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. So one key element of ensuring 5S success is regular audits, and our 5S audit checklist is your invaluable companion on this journey. Firstly, implementing 5S goes beyond just tidying up. So it fosters a work environment where unnecessary items are eliminated, tools and equipment are strategically organized, cleanliness is maintained, standards are set and adhered to, and a culture of sustained improvement is cultivated. Our comprehensive 5S audit checklist provides a systematic approach to evaluating your workshop's current state. Therefore, it covers key areas, assigning scores and offering insights into the level of 5S implementation. Also, the checklist guides you through essential aspects of sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, providing a holistic view of your workspace's efficiency and compliance. Use the checklist to conduct regular 5S audits, track your progress, and identify areas for improvement. Firstly, the scoring guidelines help you understand your current standing, from zero effort to outstanding results. Also, the checklist not only evaluates the current state but also aids in setting future goals. So leverage this template to instill a culture of excellence, driving your workshop towards becoming a world-class, 5S optimized environment. Lastly, if you require assistance with your 5S journey, don't hesitate to contact us. Download 5S Audit Checklist.